So happy to see you tonight and
Yeah.
welcome to our studio. And right now, as usual,
Mhm.
we are going to talk about some topic that are really interesting to discuss with our friends in this program, Smart Up Your Life. But I will say to you, smart listener, that this program is the collaboration program between Smart FM Makassar and BPEC Makassar. So, guys, would you like to introduce what BPEC is to smart listener?
Yeah, thank you. BPEC is stand for Benteng Panynyua English Club,
Mm-mm.
and this is actually the English community since 1986,
Mm-hmm.
and now already 34 years old. And this is the oldest English meeting club in Makassar,
English
and
community too,
yeah,
right?
and all of peoples can come to learn English, study with us
Mm.
from zero to hero. Free,
Wow.
by free, of course.
That
Yeah,
is that's all free of charge.
yeah, free
So
of charge.
you are you can join them
Yeah,
if you want,
uh,
and you can practice your English as well
yeah,
with this community.
yeah.
But guys, well, I almost forgot. I don't know what's your name, and you don't introduce yourself to smart listener
Okay,
yet.
again, okay.
Please.
My name is Sam Sahril Diaz. You can call me Diaz.
Okay, Mr. Diaz is with us tonight, smart listener, and
Yeah.
Miss
Miss Husna.
Miss Husna
Husna
Amira.
Amira.
Hello,
Husna Amira is join us tonight to yeah, make a conversation.
Yeah.
And because of this program is the yeah, English learning
English
program,
learning.
then we learn about English in this program. So do not hesitate to join us, smart listener, even you don't know how to say the
Mhm.
sentence in English. Just yeah, speak up, just
Mix.
say it loud.
Uh-huh.
And because we mix both language in this program,
Yeah.
bahasa sometimes, and we speak English too. Well,
Yeah.
tonight, because I heard and I got that the first November is the Innovation Day, international or national or in yeah, something like that. Peringatan Hari Inovasi.
International.
Yeah.
I think.
Peringatan Hari Inovasi. Innovation is near to our generation,
Yeah.
Yeah.
millennials.
Exactly. Yeah.
That is have very much power
Yeah.
in life, everything in every what how to say
Our life.
yeah,
Yeah.
in every aspect of
Aspect.
our life, that millennial has a very powerful how to say they struggling in many ways, like us right now. And we are going to discuss about this topic, power of millennial and young generation.
Yeah.
So, Mr. Diaz and Miss Husna, how do you define this topic, and how do you define the power of millennial itself?
Yeah. For me, this topic is very interest, because talk about young generation, a millennial power. That these are keywords.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, I think power is energy. So peoples who have 17 until 37 are millennials.
Mm-hmm.
So it means that we are included,
Yeah.
still included, and people's they have a how to say old like that, 17 until 37s are very energetic, enthusiastic, visionary,
Mm-hmm.
big big like power, desire, and deep sense, and they are very creative,
Mm-hmm.
and they have like something like contribution to each other country
Yeah.
wherever they are, and whenever, um So I think this is a very contributive to each country in all of the worlds. And talk about innovations. And for the 1st November or the 2nd, sorry, first
November.
December, this is a very relate with young generation. I think something
Okay.
like that.
What about you, Miss Husna?
Yeah, for me, how I define a power from a young people is, there are different differences between young people and a previous generation. Like we have a technology, so right now young people have a technology to like share information, good information like scholarship and etc. And then we also easy to interact with human even if from other countries. Yeah.
Okay. So, but do you think, as a millennial, do you think you are the powerful one right now, and you can do anything you want, and you make it easily? You can make it easy.
Yeah, I think so because me as a young people, uh, I have a power to like make I I'm being a creative and make a innovation. So yeah, I can say I have a power as a young people.
Okay. With this power as a millennial, what should we do? And what can we do to make this, yeah, I think you ever heard about how to say bonus demography
Yeah.
in Indonesia, which
Yeah.
will happen.
Demography extra.
Yes,
Yeah.
in our country.
Yeah.
So, what should we do to make this bonus demography or extra demography in our country to be, to be something that in a good way we can change our mind, we can change our life, we can change our nation. From you, Mr. Diaz.
Okay, I think to make it happen, that we need to start from ourselves. Each we need to start from ourselves. How can we give contribution, give solution, give positive energy, and just do the positive things to our country? You can imagine that if from Sabang until Merauke, each people as a young generation do positive thing, you can imagine that our country soon be a forward country. Yeah. So and I think that is a smart solution. That is a how to say ideal way to make our country will develop, will forward something. Yeah, something like that.
Okay, well, we'll continue this conversation about power of millennial and young people after the break, smart listener. And we invite you to join with us tonight, because we are doing live streaming right now on YouTube channel Smart FM Makassar. And smart listener, you can join with us tonight on WhatsApp 0811461011. Just send us the text what you want to say, and also you can write down your comment on our comment section on live streaming YouTube channel Smart FM Makassar. Well, our topic tonight is about the power of millennial and young people. We have many how to say kelebihan, yeah,
Advantages.
as a millennial generation, which we've different.
Exactly.
Yeah, we different. And also in many ways. So do you think what advantages that we have right now that we can see in our daily life as a millennial, how to see the differences about how to see the differences between millennial generation and the baby boomer generation on our daily life, as you seen every day, Miss Husna.
Like our habit.
Uh-uh.
Yeah, for me as a young people, young generation, you know, we have differences, like culture or social life with how to say baby boomer. Yeah,
With
like,
our parents.
yeah, with our parents. Me and my friends also like always listening music and hang out with our friends. And then yeah, it's not surprising if there are so many cafe or hangout places by crowded by young people. And then it's I don't just like do like listening music or just hang out, but I try to do good things, like I read a lot of books and routine do exercise maybe. Yeah, I think.
You, Mr. Diaz,
For me, what the different? I think
that you see every day.
yeah. I think let me think. Okay. Baby boomer. I mean the
older
yeah,
people.
the older people. Let's say, oh my god, the older people's with us is they are, I think, conservative, and we are
Progressive.
easygoing.
Progressive.
Yeah, we are easygoing, but they are conservative, and you know, we are flexible. We can make a kidding, we can make it seriously, we can make a I think like something like flexible way to do everything, something like that. We are dynamic, dynamism, but we are moody, not like, but not like baby boomer. They are constant, I think. They are constant.
They have more faith and
they are constant.
yeah.
But you know the how to say kelemahan, the weakness of young generation are we are moody, not like the baby boomer, the oldest generation. So I think each generation has advantages and weakness. So each of us, you know, as I say, like we have something like weakness, like moody, and they are conservative. Each other has an advantage and disadvantage.
Okay, and millennial also has less loyalty. Something, yeah, moody.
Yeah, moody.
That maybe for me, maybe that because we want to try everything, something new that we curious to know about it.
High curiosity.
Yes, I ever read about this millennial. In Indonesia, there are 90 million millennials. We have 19 more than 90 million people millennial in Indonesia, and that must be how to say
big account.
Yeah, that increase and get more and more every year.
Okay.
So I think this is also the big challenge for us because
absolutely,
yeah, with very big population of millennial, with very big number of this millennial, that means we have to compete with each other. We have to be ready to this competition era, right?
Because you know, this era is globalization era.
Yes.
So the competition is need to struggle, need
yes.
to strive.
As a millennial, are you ready for this competition?
For me,
to win this competition, you compete with Husna, you compete with me and many friends in the outside, millennials.
Yeah, I see.
So, are you ready?
I'm ready.
How do you prepare yourself? until now?
Nobody's perfect. That's my principle. So if you have a like strength something here in this aspect, I don't have, I have other aspect, and you don't have. And that case is, I think, that is a universal. And if Husna have a special thing, and I don't have, I have other special things that Husna doesn't have. Something like that. So we just need to how to make practice and make perfect. And also we need to be an opportunist. Yeah. Yeah. We need, that is realistic. We need to be opportunist one. So to create the change, and we need to, how to say in English, jemput bola, something like that. Yeah.
Don't be mager, ya.
Yeah.
Because the millennial is the mager generation too.
Yeah.
Yes. Do you realize it?
Sometimes I realize it. Sometimes I feel it.
Yes, because this word is how to say born with this generation. In the past years, we don't know how mager, we don't know bucin, we don't know and etc.
That terms.
That terms and all that stuff and all the bahasa gaul.
We don't know that terms, but it was happened.
Yes. Yeah. So how can you, Miss Husna, make sure that you're ready to compete and you're ready to be successful in the future with this very, very big competition?
Actually, I say this is a hard because right now, because Corona attack our country, me and my friends, even if I have an online class, we are doing our online class in our bed.
Yes.
Yeah, that's why. And
make you more mager.
Yeah, we say mager.
That increase our laziness, right?
Just rebahan.
Generasi rebahan.
How to we are young generation be ready for this challenges, but I think I can ready because I will how to say being a creative and then make a new innovation. So in the future I can
survive.
Survive my goals.
Well, and something that is unique from our generation too, correct me if I'm wrong, our generation right now, the Y generation, millennials, we have so much things to do. We want everything, and for some example, we have so many hobbies.
Okay.
And we want to do all activities together. Multitasking. We have to be multitasking.
Get the point.
And that's maybe some of the reason we have less loyalty to something. We don't want to be so long, stay too long in some place. We don't want to stay too long in some activity.
Yeah.
Do you feel it?
I feel it. I feel it.
And what do you think?
Okay. I think most of us as a young generation feel the same cases, because we are very curiosity, we are dynamism, we have many energy, we want do everything multitasking, and we jumping to each other place, and we always meet different people, we always visit different places, and very, very dynamism. So it is a create effect to our personality that a little we are not something you say just like not loyal. So I'm angry because I was feel it.
Yes,
I
and
was
some
feel it.
hobbies from the millennial generation, I don't know. I just, yeah, this is in my mind.
Yeah.
Based on what I see,
Mhm.
and every day, most of millennial like to travel,
Yeah.
like to work out, like to train their self,
True.
and like to try something new.
Yeah.
So, and in the next session, we will talk about this.
Okay.
What's the hobbies of millennial generation itself, and we will before we close this program, we want to conclude our conversation from the last session about the power of millennial and young people. So, what do you want to say? What do you want to say to close our conversation, Mr. Diaz?
Okay. For me, maybe because I like use my own words.
Yes.
I think the conclusion of our discussion for tonight with topic is young power of millennial young are every people of young in Indonesia, each personal from Sabang until Merauke need to give positive contribution to make a positive contribution and bring our country to be better, to create a forward country. Because we need to start from young generation, from millennial young, to make our generation as a forward, to make our country as a forward country in the future, especially for 2045. And we need to start from now,
Yes.
between 17 until 37 years old. We must or have obligation to make it happen, our country to be a gold country in 2045.
Well,
Yeah.
so even if we have hobbies,
Yeah.
based on the previous conversation about hobbies and activities, smart listener, we can make a change based on our hobby, based on our passion
Yeah.
to this country. If you
That's
like
right.
to, how to say, if you have a passion in arts or maybe in sport or everything,
Do it.
just do it. Just
Yeah.
make a change,
Focus.
and so we can make a change to this country, I think.
Yeah.
So in the last sessions, as usual, we want to share the idioms and also vocabularies to smart listener that we can apply, you can use on your daily conversation. Please, Miss Husna.
Yeah, I have some idioms like first, walk in the park. It means something simple or easy in comparison to something more difficult.
Okay.
And then second idioms, beat someone to the punch.
Beat someone to
To
the
the
punch.
punch. It means do something before or faster someone else.
Oh
Yeah.
How to say, in bahasa kita harus lebih cepat.
Ya, lebih cepat.
Oke.
Gercep.
Gercep. Gercep.
Yeah,
Gerakan
gercep.
cepat. What is in English? In English?
In English, beat someone to the punch.
Beat someone to the punch.
Yeah.
It means we have to be
Gercep.
we have to be fast than
Fast
others.
than others.
Okay.
Yeah. For example, I wanted to buy a great used car I saw yesterday, but someone beat me to the punch.
Okay,
Jadi
mendahului.
mendahului. Yeah.
Yes.
And then cooking up a storm.
Cooking up a storm.
It means cooking a great deal of food.
Okay. Example in sentence, please.
For example, you should come over to our house for New Year's. My wife will be cooking up storm, like memasak sesuatu yang hebat.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Like unusual thing
Yeah.
that
Unusual
we
thing.
didn't do in a
Yeah.
every day
That we didn't see.
that we didn't see. Okay.
Yeah. I think.
Next.
Next. Maybe crash a party. Party.
Crash a
Crash
party.
a party. It means to attend a party without being invited.
Oh yes, tamu
Yeah.
tak diundang.
Yeah.
Yes, millennial likes to do crash
Yeah.
in a party.
For example, we say let's go out and crash a party.
Okay, and crash the party.
Yeah.
Yeah, come to some party which you
Without invited.
without invitation.
Yeah.
Okay, so from you, Mr. Diaz, there's something to
Yeah.
share?
From me, idioms, face the music.
Face the
Yeah,
music.
the means is menghadapi konsekuensi dari perbuatan kita.
Okay.
And
Face the music.
Yeah, face the music.
Face the music. Menghadapi
Consequences.
ya.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ready untuk menghadapi konsekuensi.
Yeah.
Siap, siap.
And the second is saving for a rainy day. Means menabung untuk masa depan.
Saving for
a rainy day.
Okay, let's say it together.
Saving for a rainy day.
It means
Menabung untuk masa depan.
okay, rainy day, because we don't know what will happen in the future.
Yeah.
So we have to be to menabung ya.
Yeah. And next, Coach Potato. Artinya mager.
What?
Mager.
Coach
Coach Potato. Bisa dikatakan
how to
pemalas
spell- how
atau
to spell-
mager.
How to spell the word?
Coach COUCH.
Oh, coach ya?
Coach.
Coach,
Yeah.
coach.
It's similar with coach,
Oh,
but
yes,
coach.
yes. Coach potato,
Yeah,
potato.
Coach Potato. Artinya
Mager.
pemalas atau mager.
Oke.
Um,
Orang yang mager ya.
Iya.
Oke.
Up in the air artinya rencana yang belum pasti dan masih dapat berubah, mengambang. Up in the
Oke.
air.
Oke.
Yeah. And it's a piece of cake.
Just of simple
Means
things.
mudah untuk dilakukan. Ya.
Yes.
And every cloud has a silver lining. Artinya
Lining.
sorry. Setiap kesulitan pasti ada hikmahnya.
Oke.
Itu.
Di setiap kesulitan pasti ada hikmahnya,
Oh, yeah,
pasti ada
that's right.
kemudahan.
And for words,
The vocabulary.
agents of change,
Okay.
perubahan, agen perubahan.
That's us.
Dynamizer,
I hope.
peoples who special for young generation, people who can make a change. Dynamizer, seems actually similar. Creative, intuitive. Creative banyak ide. Intuitive means that tepat sasaran. To execution something. Intuisi. And productive.
Right.
Iya.
So, we
Artinya
have to be productive.
selalu berkarya. Ya, itu.
Okay.
Thank you.
Maybe Miss Husna want to add vocabularies from our conversation?
Yeah, maybe just a young generation.
Okay.
Yeah, that's us. And then millennials.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, young generation.
Okay.
Yeah,
Well, thank you so much for tonight, Mr. Diaz and Husna. Thank you so much for you,
My
smart
pleasure.
listener,
You're welcome.
who have joined us from the first session until this last session of Smart Up Your Life.